Well, a very good evening. Just having a bit of a mess around with the old puzzle layout that I've just recently created. So yeah, just having a bit of a shuffle around and just see how they're all running. A little bit jumpy here and there, but just a few more bits of gravel to get off the track. But other than that, they seem to be working, behaving not too bad. But the old hand have got in there a few times. You know what I mean? We have to give them a cheeky little push, but that's just what it is. So it's all good fun. And just like working out all the my isolation sections and stuff like that, and which way they go, obviously. But yeah, I'm really happy with the layout where it's turned out. Just a little bit of an interest going on. All of my points are manual. All the points are manual, but just put some isolation switches on them, just to make it a bit more interesting. There you go, another hand of God. I did clean the track. I don't know what's up with them. Don't get used, that's why.